All right, hi, this is Dave Hall here, Restore a Muscle Car. We are in the body shop today, starting out and just talking about an update on a few of the projects we got going on within the shop. One of the first ones I'm going to talk about is our 1970 Ford short box pickup. This is the one that's got the Roadster shop, full custom chassis underneath it with the modern Coyote engine. Jake's been basically currently working on getting the grill and everything all modernized and updated on the truck for kind of a new look. We work with Ben Hermance from Hermance Design on helping us with our rendering ideas and design concepts. But Jake's doing a great job getting it fabricated and stuff for us, and keeping to move forward, getting closer to where we can try and get this truck into some paint. Right behind us over here we have Buddy working on our 69 Trans Ams. This is a automatic car, full numbers matching. The drivetrain's all been done, but we're doing all the metal work and stuff on it now. So the car's going to get some new quarters, some rocker repair, and any metal work that's needed so that it's got good sheet metal and stuff on it before we move forward to get it painted. It's a blue interior automatic 69 Trans Am. Very nice car. Right next to it here's this is the one owner 76 yellow 455 4-speed car. This was a lot of metal work we had to do to this car, but it's come a long ways. We actually are trying all new sheet metal on this car. Normally we try and always use original sheet metal, but the metal's gotten a lot better, the aftermarket parts that we are getting now. So we got a full front clip and doors and hood, and it's actually fitting really well with some minor, some modifications that we got to do to make everything work the way we want it to. This is our 74 Trans Am. It's a Pro Touring car we're building for a customer out of Nashville. It's actually, we got the firewall painted, the whole underside of the car is painted, and we jammed it in black already. So the car's been jammed. We'll basically wet sand the exterior of the car and work on getting the outside of it painted and start getting assembled. It's got full Detroit speed suspension, mini tub, rear 4-link. Going to have a modern 427 cubic inch LS3 motor in it with 625 horse naturally aspirated. All right, one of the cars that we Bob just finished getting painted, the 69 Camaro. I'm sorry, this is a 68 Camaro. This is Chad Fegley's car from the shop here in Lincoln. They do all of our performance tuning for us, all of our dyno tuning, alignments, and help out with double checking the cars that we finish up in the shop. Well, this is Chad's personal drag car. It's a 770 car in the quarter mile. It's over 1,000 horsepower, double shot of nitrous. This is a really fun car. Anyway, we worked on it here this winter. Bob got all the body work done and put some fancy paint on it for him, and is going to work on getting it finished up, and so Chad can get it back out on the track this year. All right, we got Eli in here in the set in our paint booth. We're basically finishing up doing a color sand and a respray on this 73 Trans Am. It's a 455 4-speed car. I think it's got like 70,000 original miles. Very nice car, but we decided to go ahead and just freshen it up because we like cars being really nice when they leave here. This particular one, we did a full color sand on it and a respray, and he's just getting ready to finalize the front clip on it here and some small pieces and stuff this week so we can get decals on it and get it wrapped up. Yeah. We got Austin in our secondary paint booth in here. He's working on some interior parts. We use mostly all SEM products for our interior parts. So he scuffs everything down, cleans everything up really well to be dyed so we can dye it the correct color. This particular interior is going in a 79 blue Trans Am that we have, and it's white. So we actually start with white plastic molded products, but we're actually dyeing it the correct shade of white before it goes into the car. Hey, our jackets, our new hoodies, zip-ups, pullovers are all available online on our e-commerce website. And just like the one I'm wearing, We have long sleeve shirts also that match. So our 74 GTO, basically we did an interior refresh on it. It's a 350 automatic car. It's one of the last years they actually produced the GTO. This car's going up for sale on our website here this week. We just got to get Dylan to take some time, get some photos and video, and get it online so that Tom can get it listed, and we'll have some people interested. The car runs and drives out really nice. It was a local car owned by a guy for over 20 some years here in storage, came out of a barn. Car fires up, runs good. We gave it a complete tune-up and all new carpet, headliner, and refreshed the interior, replaced anything that needed to be done and stuff. We have 72 Silver Formula. This is a 400 4-speed car, rust-free, original panel, California car. Pretty much done. I got a little bit of trim left to do on it. Otherwise, this car's all been done on the inside, all new interior. It's been detailed and stuff underneath the hood, and it'll be going up for sale here on our website really soon as well. We just got in this. This is a barn find 1970 Roadrunner. It's got a 440 in it with a 4-barrel. It's a 4-speed car. It's originally orange. Somebody had repainted it dark blue. We're going to hopefully possibly put it back to the original orange. We're just working on getting it tuned up and running. We actually got the motor to fire up on it the other day, but we got to replace the fuel system and get it drivable so we can see what we want to do with the car. It needs, you know, some loving, but it's a really good, complete car. It's had lower quarter patches put on it at one point in time, but otherwise the rest of the car is extremely complete and solid. Right behind us here we have this is a 71 455 HO 4-speed car. This car's had a frame-off restoration. This car's going to be for sale on our website this week as well. It's done. We actually just got done rebuilding the motor. We put a hot cam in it, and it just needs a little bit more detailing and stuff, but for the most part, everything's done. You can jump in and drive this car anywhere. It's just a fun run and driving car. We have this Lucerne Blue 71 455 HO 4-speed Trans Am. This car is for sale on our website. I think Dylan's updating some photos and stuff on it for everybody on the website, hopefully today or tomorrow to get those out. This car has been completely restored. It's got the black interior, 4-speed. It's a very rare air-conditioned car. Very, very neat car. Really nice base coat, clear coat paint. It's got a built, the motor runs very strong. It's easily pushing over 400 horsepower. It's a correct 455 HO motor. It is not the numbers matching motor to the car, but it's got all the correct components and stuff on it, including the functional shaker scoop, correct 4-speed Muncie transmission, and then the correct rear end and stuff for the car with 373 gears. We're currently working on this 77 Trans Am. This is the car that we got in for Richard Rawlings. We're doing some AC work on the car. So they got the front clip kind of torn apart and stuff on it right now, doing some work on it. We're going to be getting it ready for him over the next couple weeks here so we can get it wrapped up and we can get it delivered to him down at his shop in Dallas. Next to us we got our 70. This is a 2-owner car. It came out of the Alabama area. And the gentleman that owns the car, it's basically, this is a nut and bolt frame off concourse car. We got a really cool drivetrain and stuff in this car. It's a Ram Air 3 motor, but it's all been built up with aluminum heads, intake, aluminum radiator, electric fans. It's an AC car. This is the motor that actually goes in the car here. It's got the Ram Air manifolds in it from Ram Air Restorations. We have a custom built Rochester carburetor that Butler Performance helped us with, along with all the internal components and stuff that came from Butler Performance. And then we did all the machine work and stuff locally here and did all the assembly right here in the shop and test and tune it on the stand and after it's done, and then she'll go in the car. over here we got our 72 Blazer. It's coming along. We have our new 20-inch wheels on it. Tyler just put on last night. It's an LS powered Blazer. It's going to have the full chrome trim and stuff on it. We're just working on getting some more stuff on it so I can try and get the front clip on it and get some more trim and stuff on it. We are also now making some custom dash component parts so that you can actually put a doubled in radio in these early C10s, K5s, you know, trucks, Chevy trucks and stuff. So we'll have that posted on our website here pretty soon. A couple of different options. One with, you know, if you add vintage air and want air conditioning vents and stuff in it, and then another one that's just basically allows you to modify your dash and put a doubled in radio in it and have it look nice and complete. This is one of our Pro Touring cars. This is a 78 LS3 powered, it's 427 cubic inch blueprint engine. It's an automatic overdrive transmission, mini tubbed car. This car is basically pretty much done. We're wrapping up our shaker on it now. We're going to do some custom decals and stuff on the engine cover, get all that wrapped up and do some test driving once the roads clear up for us. We just got in this 69 Camaro. It's a true RS car. It's a 350 automatic, very nice, solid, complete car. We got to do a little bit of freshening up to it yet, but it is for sale on our website, but we'll have a lot more detailed photos as we get stuff wrapped up on it. Right, we have this is a 1974 Super Duty Trans Am. It's got 47,000 original miles on it. This is a two-owner car, came out of Illinois. I bought it probably almost 10 years ago. It sat in storage for quite some time. We finally had some time to basically give it some love, so we actually took it through all the bodywork phase, got it painted. We're getting the interior done now. We'll end up detailing the engine compartment on it here pretty soon. The car runs and drives out really nice. But it is a 74 Super Duty, rare car. It'll be for sale here sometime soon. Next to it, we have, this is a Martinique Blue 78 Trans Am. We're wet sanding down the car now. It's been painted. We're gonna wet sand it, polish it out, and get it assembled. It's got new wheels and tires, all new interior. This car is actually a rare car. It's a 4-speed car with air conditioning, and it's an all original panel, rust-free Texas car. We've had this car for probably 3 years, I think. Got it from a gentleman that was in the insurance industry. You know, had it stored for a long time, and just it was a run and driving car when it came in, but needed some loving. And obviously the Texas sun kind of beat down the paint, but we're bringing it back. Next to it, we have a 77 Bandit Trans Am. It's already been wet sanded. We're getting ready to do some final work on the paint and then get it polished all out, detailed. We'll have a lot more pictures on it, along with this yellow 69 big block automatic Camaro that we're having for sale on our website here real soon as well. Big block car, automatic. It's got power steering, power brakes, front disc. And then also this 79. This is the car that we're doing the white interior for in the body shop. All new paint, tuned up motor. It's a WS6 car with the 4-wheel disc brakes, the 15 by 8 inch snowflakes. It's got all new carpet in it, headliner. Everything's been gone through on this car, and we're just basically trying to get it finished up here hopefully this week too, and have it ready available next week. So if you guys want to check us out online, our Restore a Muscle Car, we have our own e-commerce website. We also have our online eBay store as well. A lot of our merch and stuff, our shirts, hoodies, long sleeve shirts. We got some new stuff we just posted online. Otherwise, contact us direct for any of the parts you need for your car as well. All that stuff's posted on our store online. And just reach out to us or call us if you have any specific questions. Thank you. Talk to you soon.